Right now, Triad police chiefs and sheriffs are letting the state know what they need the most. They had the opportunity to speak directly with Governor Josh Stein today. WXII 12's Joshua Davis was at that discussion in Winston-Salem this afternoon. And Joshua, what is their biggest concern right now?
Well, there were two major issues here on the table this afternoon. One was funding for recruitment and purchasing equipment that these agencies need. The other is investment into mental health resources for their communities.
It is a basic truth that everybody deserves to feel safe, to be safe.
Governor Josh Stein listened to concerns and the challenges from Triad police chiefs and sheriffs at the Forsyth County Sheriff's Office Wednesday afternoon. A major need, funding for technology and equipment they say are vital to keeping up with tech-savvy offenders.
Sheriff Rogers made the comment about criminals having better technology than we had. I think he was referencing in terms of criminals or would-be violators with the technology in terms of cell phones, what a cell phone can do now. People are becoming smarter on how to use their cell phones.
The cost, the body-worn cameras, which are really important in terms of building trust in the community. It's really important for law enforcement because oftentimes it can show what really happened, and that's a positive thing. But it's expensive to have all the technology. It's expensive to store all the data once it's been produced.
Another major need, mental health resources to help folks experiencing homelessness, substance abuse, and more.
So we can try to deal with certain matters that don't have to be dumped on law enforcement when we have other systems, whether it's healthcare system or social services that can help address certain issues. What we want to make sure is that we as a state are doing everything we possibly can to keep the people of North Carolina safe.
And during this roundtable, we also heard Governor Stein mention that North Carolina still has not passed its budget. He talked about working these needs into a roughly $200 million request for public safety to the North Carolina General Assembly. Reporting live in Winston-Salem, I'm Joshua Davis for WXII 12 News.